Now, to what could be a swift move, government is hoping to make a dent in the country's backlog in court cases and at the same time address what has become a troubling trend in murders in recent times. Cleopatra Murphy has the details.
Justice must be deliberate, but justice must also happen on a timely basis.
Government will be reintroducing the Swift Justice program as one element of its crime-fighting strategy. The planned re-implementation also comes as murders for the year have hit 128, surpassing 2021's 119. Minister of National Security, the Honorable Wayne Munro, says a delay in trials can cause frustrations, essentially leading to street justice, as he suggests was the case in one of the recent murders he was briefed on by Commissioner of Police Clayton Fernander. He acknowledges that persons granted bail as they await trial have been targeted.
Over the last year to 18 months, there's a phenomenon that whether you are innocent or guilty, you yourself may become a victim of crime. You yourself may become a victim of crime in urban environs where other people may be threatened. And so our view is that bail, yes, it's something that you look at, but you also have to look at the safety of the person being admitted to bail and the safety of the person around the person being admitted to bail. And that is what we're seeking now to urge on the courts.
Swift Justice initially started in 2006 and again relaunched in 2012 after being cancelled by Free National Movement administrations, is intended to get cases to trial faster. Munro says bringing it back just makes sense.
We have arranged to have a meeting and in a meeting with the Chief Justice and Senior Justice in charge of the Criminal Division. We've agreed to have a task force to look at it, to, as it was, slimline it and speed it up even more. Little small things that may make a huge difference.
As for how soon that will occur, the task force will be formed within the first quarter of 2023. They will also look into things like finding replacements for judges to account for vacation time.
Little things like appointing acting judges from all of these people who won't be King's Counsel may be an answer to adding, without appointing a substantive judge, a whole judge. So little practical things like that is what Swift Justice is meant for us to sit down and work out the mechanics of how you get more production out of the system.
As for the country's murder count that has increased, Munro says that has been a trend globally with the end of the COVID-19 lockdowns, but insists one murder is one too many.
So we have to address what we have to address, and what we have to address is let us stop socializing people who see no problem with running up on somebody and shooting them in their head and upper body 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Imagine that. This is somebody who will be living in the house with somebody right now.
The Minister of National Security says the public must consider what their responsibility is, because that same individual living with them can leave their house and commit a crime. For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Cleopatra Murphy.